I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible. Hi, ma'am.
Okay.
How are you?
Uh, yes, I'm pretty well. Thanks for asking me. How are you?
I'm also good. Well, so please tell me about yourself.
Yes. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. And yeah, I'm Devdatta Rata, as you know. I'm from West Bengal. I'm a homemaker. I have completed my BBA, MBA, and after that, that time I already got married. I blessed with son. So, yes, I rising on him. So I didn't do anything for myself. And now my son has grown up enough. And so I think I have to do something for myself. So that's why last 1 year I have been into this language. So yeah, that's little bit about me.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely introduction. So may I go? May I? So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining me. First of all, I would like to say you. My name is Mamta Kaur. I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After that, I did B.Ed and CTED degree also. I earned. Nowadays, like I am improving my communication skill because I want to become a mentor. I decided, and my hobby is like spending time with the family members and playing some things like carom and badminton, this type of things. And I love to dance. That's it, all about me. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, ma'am, when did you
So
start your English journey? Please tell me.
last year, last year, it's almost 1 year I have been into this language journey. And and now I think from July or September I started this journey. And that time because in my family member no one speaking in this language. So yes, basically initially it would be problem for me. But somehow nowadays social media is too much active, and so YouTube from YouTube first I created an atmosphere. I watch lots of videos, and after that, I know about the CV application where I spoke lots of co-learners. But I now last 1 month I have not been using that much this application. But last 6 months I already joined session, and yeah, now I can able to speak at least.
Yes, ma'am. It is good thing. Like at least you are able to speak English. So it was good thing. So, like, ma'am, one of thing I will suggest to you, like, if we are in learning phase, so we should watch a lot related to English videos. We should watch English content.
Yeah.
So whatever, like you are creating interest in a story, in a like anything, like little bit, you should focus on grammatical part also. If you are not having environment, then you should do. And nowadays, it is one of a popular thing like Chat GPT. So we should conversation with the Chat GPT a lot, and where we are making mistake, so we should observe that mistake, and after then anything you are learning, so we should indulge in our next conversation. So this type
Yeah.
of thing we should do every day. So day by day
Mm.
you will learn automatically.
Yeah, I think ChatGPT is nowadays it's a very good
Yeah,
option
it's very helpful.
because
We
yeah,
don't
it's
have
very
any
helpful
need
and
for mentor.
mm, yes, yeah, and with ChatGPT I be comfortable with ChatGPT even in a whole day. I have some confusion or something, then I talk to ChatGPT. In a whole day, I try to speak. I have been trying to be speaking with ChatGPT actually.
Yes, ChatGPT is very helpful application for
Yeah.
us. So we should go for it.
Yeah.
It would be helpful a
Mm.
lot. So
Yeah.
some time before we used to think like we should have any mentor so that they can correct to us and we can improve our
Mm.
communication skill. So so we should take benefit from the ChatGPT. So it would be a
Yeah.
very fruitful journey if we will focus on ChatGPT. We will talk, we will conversation, and we can focus our pronunciation also. because like if we are speaking, like suppose I am Rajasthani, so I will include my accent, like Rajasthani accent, I will include. So we can remove this type of thing gradually if we will conversation of the on the chat GPT. So it would be good.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Pronunciation, I think how lots of speaking, it's remove your pronunciation. I mean, remove your local language pronunciation. It mitigate your language pronunciation. It would be better,
Yeah.
your pronunciation. Mhm.
So ma'am, which type of efforts are you putting to learn English? Are you focusing something?
Okay.
Which part are you
Yes,
putting
I,
more time?
now I focus on my grammar,
Okay.
and just I try to speak more, I mean, try to collect more vocabularies,
Mm-hmm.
which is required. So yes, and that two things now I am focusing. I think now I am not a basic, I am not a beginner. So at beginner, when you are a beginner, that time you have to focus on your speaking. So now I can able to speak. So that's
Yeah.
why I focus on my grammar and my vocabulary. So that's two things I am focusing.
Yes, ma'am. You are speaking in a correct manner, and like you have a fluency. So you should focus on mistakes. There is no need for little bit. There is no need to focus little bit things. Only you have to improve your vocab related to synonyms, antonyms, so that we can use different type of words in our conversation. So our conversation it would be look like a attractive if we will use different type of vocab. Suppose we are using same vocab again and again, so like we also we also feel fed up while speaking, like I am using same word again and again, so that is not good thing, and no one will listen our conversation if we use only one word again and again. So we should focus synonyms, antonyms, and different type of vocab. And if we are in learning phase, so we should not focus that much idioms, phrasal verbs. Little bit we can go, one or two we can take in a day, we can learn. But if we are learning in initially stage, so that time we will not able to use in our conversation initially stage. But if someone is speaking in front of us, we will listen to them, so automatically it will come our mouth also, and
Yeah.
our ear will listen, and we started using that idioms and phrasal verb. So
Yes,
and
actually,
we
our
should.
minds are very intelligent. So, yes, we automatically, when you are listening something carefully, then automatically we grab this word and grab how to pronounce, he or she, how to pronounce. So, yeah, I think that's why now I'm focusing on my vocabs, and now I'm focusing on the grammar part, which is really important, which is really enhance my communication actually. So,
Okay, ma'am. So ma'am, what
mhm.
do you do in your free time?
Now, last 1 year, I just indulge myself in this language journey. So yes, now because it's not very easy, I think it's a first. Mm, it's like a student. It's a bus in a bus. So yes, I have now. I'm focusing on this. Apart from that, I love to organize my home. I have a small garden. Love I can say I'm a small plant parent. So yes, I just take care of them, and I love to organize my home. And now, apart from that, now I when I have some time, I watch some videos or I try to improve my communication.
Yeah, ma'am, it's sufficient being a housewife and you are doing lots of
Yeah.
things. So, taking care of family. Apart from this, like you are learning English. Apart from you have a
Mm.
green thumb also. So it is the nice,
Yes.
like you are taking care of the plants also. So nowadays it is
Yes.
important thing if we are growing up the
Yeah.
plants. It is the
Mm.
important thing. So, ma'am, which type of plants are you growing? May I ask you?
Yeah. Actually, I have a small balcony. So where I have even in my home also in my room I have small snake plant, indoor plants actually, snake plant, money plant, this type of indoor plants which have actually lots of greenery. And I have some flower plant which is hibiscus, rose, and some it's a time flower. So yeah, that type of flower actually in my balcony because my balcony is really very tiny. It's an apartment, so it's you can I think you can understand it's a very tiny balcony. So yes, I think there is a small plants, but yeah, I love to grow those plants in a day when I have some time.
Yeah, it is good thing. We feel peaceful ourselves that time, like if we are taking care and if
Yeah,
we are observing to growing that plants. So that time we feel very good. So like
mental business actually.
mm, and like some
Mm.
plants is giving to us fruit. So that time like if we are plucking the fruit with our hands, so that time we feel like we can feel over the moon that time. So like
Yes, obviously.
we have also green thumb. We I
But
can
I have no that much opportunity because I have some flower plant or indoor plant. So yes, I have no opportunity. But as you say, it's I had a I had a house. That time I know how to pluck some fruits in the garden, and so it is a really very good thing actually. Good memory, I would say.
yeah ma'am. Nowadays like our house like we have also green thumb. So nowadays like it is going on blackberry, the lemon
Okay.
and papaya, pomegranate and chiku. So we have a lots of fruits plants. So nowadays like we have a lots of fruits and we are enjoying. So it's
So
nice.
how is your weather now?
Yeah, our side like
It's a
it like before it was going on it's scorching hot weather, but nowadays like little bit it started raining. So it's okay.
okay, okay. But
And
now here is the sweltering heat. Actually, it's unbearable without AC. And who has no AC that I don't know how they uh, stay at outside. I don't know, but
yeah,
it's a very now it's a very unbearable hot actually.
yeah so like if we are going outside so we can understand it is too much hot outside. Yeah, outside also it is happening, but whenever we are getting rain so that time we can feel ourselves better.
Better, yeah.
Yes
Mm-hmm.
ma'am. Okay ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
so do you have any questions so you can ask me.
I have one question, but it's not related about
English.
English. So, how do you manage? Because you are a YouTuber. So, how do you and you already you told that you are a family oriented person. You love to stay with your family. So, how do you manage yourself as a YouTuber and how do you manage time also as a YouTuber and as a family?
Yes, ma'am. Whenever I got free time, I started watching related to English content. Like whatever it
Mm-hmm.
is going on in morning time and sometimes in noon time. But like if
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to like on my bed, so that time I do editing. Evening, like night time, like around 10 to 11 p.m. I do editing, my editing part. And apart from like I'm getting time, so that time I try to read, I try to take session. Like now, like I completed my all things. I did like a
Okay.
editing part because yesterday I didn't editing part because of my health issue. So I slept
Okay.
early.
Now are you okay?
Yeah, now I am okay. Yeah, I am
Okay.
feeling dizzy last night, so that's why I didn't do
Okay.
anything. But now I am okay. So now I completed everything, and after then,
Mhm.
like I took permission from my grandfather. So he told me, okay, you can go and you can take your session.
Now,
Yeah, because
I
like
think
after
then your
completing, I
family is very supportive
yeah, it's very
because we
supportive. They
stay
understand like they wants to do something, so
in-laws,
if
in-laws. stay with your in-laws and they are very supportive, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because they also understand,
Yeah.
like she studied, and after then she is staying at home and she want to something from home, so we should support. Everyone is supporting to me. My grandmother also says to me, like, you should complete your all over work, after then you can go, you should study. So
So
everything.
I think being a girl, being a woman, it's a blessing for you because nowadays what we hear that yes, girls are not supported by their in-laws, but you are you have a very good supportive in-laws,
Yes,
so it's a blessing.
yes, ma'am. It is good thing, like they are supporting. Like sometimes it's happened with the woman. So they are well educated, and they, but after then they don't have time to for
Mm.
ourselves. Sorry, for ourselves. They can't manage everything because family are not supporting to them. If like
Supportive.
everything we can do, like if we are doing household chores, so after completing,
Mm.
if our mind is good, we are living peacefully, so we can do. But if we are not living peacefully, so we can't do, because our mind, it will not work that time. If we are facing any
Yes.
anxiety, depression, this type of thing, it will happen. So how we can manage this type of thing? But like
Yes.
lots of household women, they are doing this type of thing. They are doing conversation every day because they are completing
Mm.
on over all household chores. After then, they are taking session and they are managing our
Presentation.
time. So it's
Mm.
okay.
Mm.
So after
Mm.
completing my session, I will serve a food of my grandparents. After then, again, like I am free, I will take myself, and after then I will started watching some English content. And what if I want to take a power nap, so I can take. After then, like my husband
Mm.
has come, so I have to serve to
Mm.
my husband food. So this type of thing, it's
Yeah.
happen. You can manage them.
Yes, that's why you are really doing these things because your in-laws or your family members all are supporting. So that is the main thing. Actually, you are stay with them. That's why because I'm stay in a nuclear family. I stay with my husband and my son. So yes, they now they have gone to the school and now I'm stay alone. So it's another part. But you stay with them and they are supporting. So yes, I think that's why you are blessed actually.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only one thing we have, if we are living with the family, so that time
Mhm.
peace we should live peacefully. If we are living peacefully,
Yeah,
so we can manage everything. Lots of women
everything.
are facing this type of problem. They are doing overthinking. So overthinking, it is
Yes.
not good. Like if we will indulge
Even
any.
not only overthinking, I think some families when a woman go to the another family, that time their in-laws are more interfere their with her life. So that the things actually they become. I mean, she become very anxious or
That time
become
they,
very.
so you are
Mm.
saying correct. Suppose like my in-laws are not allowing me, so I will started
Yes.
overthinking, like why they are not allowing
Yes.
me, what is happening. I
Mm.
studied a lot. After then, I'm
Yes,
not
because
able.
they are not
This type of thing, it
interfering
will
in your
come.
life and they yes, they are very supportive and they are not interfering in your life. So you can if you want to you do your all uh I mean your all work, then you will do something for yourself. So
Mhm.
it would be happen. That's why your family member for your supportive family member because they are stay with you are stay with them.
Mhm. Yeah, ma'am.
Mm.
It's depend on luck also. That time we can say.
Yes. Yes. I think luck is very important for
Mhm.
yes, you have to do something, you have to do hard work, but luck is also parallelly important.
Yeah, luck also important, and our way of communication also it's important. If we are
Or
talking
important.
with the our family members in a polite way, so they will give answer in a polite manner. If we will talk with
Yes,
them rudely
obviously.
and in a highly tone, so how they will support to us?
how they will support. Yeah, I think it's not about. I think we in a family both have to do politely. I think women should speak politely, and they also don't do any kind of interference. Then we all are stay together happily.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ma'am. Happiness is
Yeah.
it's important nowadays. Like
Mhm.
most of the people nowadays feeling is feeling like depression, and they are going to suicide. This type of thing every day we are listening in a news. So ultimately,
Due to loneliness, I think due to loneliness because
yeah,
they have no, yeah,
loneliness, and
even
they are run after only of the money. Their mindset is
yeah,
only we have to earn money. They are not spending time with the family. So and we are spending time with the mobile phone nowadays and with the TV. So that is the not good thing, because if we will use mobile phone a lot, we started feeling irritate ourselves. We will sit in
yes,
front of
I think
like
we
different
should
time.
at our age we should cut down some screen time, and we should take care our son, take care our family, so that then we all are becoming very happy.
Mhm.
And for the student, because nowadays everything through the I mean phone or through laptop you have to read. So yes, they are becoming addicted by the phone or by the others video or something. So again, they are becoming addicted. But yes, I think as a parent, we should cut down their screen time, cut down their. We should taking care of them actually for the students.
Yes, ma'am. You are saying correct. Like our nowadays, like lots of children, they are using mobile phone, and if we are not giving to mobile phone to them, so they started crying. We will not eat food if you will not play, if you will not give to a mobile phone, if you will not allow to us. So they started crying. So that is the not good thing. At least we can give in a proper time. We should set time, like if I will give you only 1 hour, more than after then you have to study, you have to play. So nowadays it is going on
Yeah.
holidays, so they should we should give chance to play outside, like in morning or evening
Mm.
time, and different type of skills they can learn. And every time we
Mhm.
should not pause, you have to study, you have to study. If they will study every time, so they can't, we can't say like there it will be
They
improved.
feel frustrated. They feel frustrated after a certain time. I mean, they feel monotonous or bored. Uh, so they are not focused on their study.
Yes, ma'am. In now this
So yeah,
now in this age also we like to play, like
yes, yes,
so we are playing nowadays, in this age also we are playing. Sometimes
yeah,
whenever I
yeah.
get chance.
We used to play at evening
Yeah.
because we have a big ground, and we used to play at least 6, 7 friends. We used to play, but now the life is totally changed.
Mhm.
So yes, they are not that much outside. They are uh, very focused in their education, focus on in their I mean mobile phone, laptop or screen. It would be that the reason it increase the screen time.
Yes, ma'am, you are saying correct. If we are playing, if we are like doing like physical exercise, so it is better for our health.
Yes, obviously. Mhm. Even mental health also.
Yeah, mental health, like physical health rather than mental health, it should be better.
should be
Because
better.
we
Yes,
can cover up
obviously.
our physical health, but we are not focusing on our mental health. We are not putting any efforts to recover our mental health. For mental health, we should do meditation, little bit kapalbhati, anulom vilom. We should do this type of thing, but we are not
Yeah,
giving time to the to this type of thing. We
yes,
started thinking we don't have time, how we can give, but it is the indirectly medicine for mental health.
yeah, yeah, obviously. So that's why nowadays yoga is very popular in our
Mhm.
society or in our life. So yoga is becoming very popular.
Yes, ma'am, you are saying correct.
Okay.
So are you
So are you taking
okay?
class? I mean, no, no. Sorry, I interrupt you.
Okay, ma'am, carry on. This was normal question,
No, no.
just conversation purpose.
Yes, no.
Carry on. What are you asking?
I want to know are you taking class?
Which,
I mean online session.
no, ma'am, nowadays I'm not taking any type of classes, and now I am improving. I am working on myself. After then, like I'm thinking, when I will be little bit proficient in this language, so definitely I will start.
So what question you will ask?
Ma'am, I forgot. I don't have that much memory.
Okay, okay, don't worry.
Just it was casual question. So,
Okay, okay, no problem.
mhm. So do you have any question for me, ma'am?
No, I have no question. I just want to speak with you, and I think yes. So it's a random conversation, I would say.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ma'am. I was
If you
also
have
thinking like we should go for random session. Every day I try to think myself like I should take any topic for conversation. And my husband also says to me like you should take like any topic. Why are you talking normal things every day? So I was saying to him
yes,
like if we go normal conversation, so everyone can feel comfortable with me. So that's why I don't give any
yes,
topic. And in onwards I will try to take a simple topic so that like everyone
yes,
can speak, everyone can do
yeah, yeah.
conversation, so I will try to next. So
Mhm. Even before the conversation, I was bit nervous also because it's a conversation. Uh, it's a video conversation. But now because you speak, you are taking the session like a very normal conversation. So yes, now I'm uh, I'm bit confident.
yeah, it's happened. That's why, like in lots of beginners, it comes and they try to speak, but directly you will give topic. So how they will speak? Because they are not able to
Yes,
speak in a proper manner until like yet. So we should not give topic. Firstly, we should try
yes,
to do normal conversation. If they want to talk again, so we should give topic because like audience
yes,
also wants to know about them, like who is. So that's why like we should take a normal conversation first. After then we should go for any topic.
yes. Mm. Yes, you are right.
So
Really, in this normal conversation now I am feeling much confident.
yeah, ma'am. I suppose if we were proficient in this language, so we can
Mhm,
take any topic and we can conversation. But if we are
mhm,
beginner, if we are upper beginner, if at least we are learning to how to speak this
yes,
language, so that time we can go
mhm,
for normal conversation. It would be better.
yes, yeah, obviously, obviously.
Okay. So,
Mhm.
ma'am, like, are you watching my videos or not?
Yes, I watched your video. I already watched your video. That's why I know about you. You are a family oriented person. You love to dance when you have some time. You love to dance. Yes, I know everything. So yes, I think last 2 days ago I watched your videos, and that time I pick up your mail ID, and I thought yes, let's try if she I try to mail her, and if she replied me, then I will talk to her. So thank God you was replying to me yesterday. So yes, that's why we talk to each other now.
Okay, ma'am. I'm happy you are watching my videos, and thank you so much, ma'am.
No, I'm one of your subscriber also.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
No, no, no. It's okay. Thank you for this opportunity because without this opportunity, because you all those YouTubers who give us this opportunity, that's why we are create an atmosphere for the speaking. Otherwise, we have no, because I think you can understand my situation at
Yes,
our, because here I born and brought up. After that, I'm here in my locality. Everyone speaking Bengali, so no one speaking English. So how do I improve my communication? So I think nowadays, you stay at your home and you have to improve your communication. So this opportunity is really very good for us actually.
okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. And ma'am, like you should continue your journey. You should not stop. And if we like you will speak every day, you will work yourself every day. So definitely you will achieve your goal within 1 or 2 months because now you are speaking well.
Thank you, thank you. This is very I mean, this this word is very important for me because now I want to know how long it will take time. Because after a certain period, we also know about your communication, how is going on. Because if you are speaking well, or you have some lack in your confidence or in your speaking, so you can't understand your difficult. I mean, your problem, so this is really very helpful for me.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, if you have any WhatsApp group, so you should try to talk video call with the video call. You should not
Yeah,
go for audio call. Lots of person is mindset like if we will talk
yes.
audio call so we can get confidence.
I think for the beginner, audio call is important, but after a certain time, video call is really needed.
Yes, ma'am. Because like if we will try to conversation on video call as much as we will do. So we will remove our fear, hesitation. So this type of thing you have to do.
Mhm.
Initially, like 1, 2, 3 days, we will face this type of situation. Like a little bit, we will feel awkward, demotivated. So, and after then, we started gaining confidence. You will see yourself automatically. So, this type of
Yes,
thing you
yes,
have to
yes.
do. And now, like, if you have any questions, so ma'am, you can ask me. Otherwise, like, we should wrap up the session.
No, I have no question now because already I asked. And by the way, thank you for this opportunity again. I would say, and you give me the opportunity and you answered my mail. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.
Yes, take care of yourself. Bye.